The freelance industry has undergone a significant transformation over the past 10 years. The market has gotten more competitive, and freelancers are making more money. In this video, we will enlighten you with the freelance skills that could benefit you the most financially. 1/4 of professionals who freelance earn more than they would in a regular 9-to-5 job. You must keep an eye out for new skills that are in demand in order to stay relevant as a freelancer. You may get a decent idea of the most in-demand freelance abilities for 2022 from the list we are about to give. 1. Creating mobile applications. Developers are in high demand for both iOS and Android apps. Over 200 billion downloads were made through app stores, and $120 billion was spent by users on apps and in-app purchases overall. It is not unexpected that businesses are concentrating their efforts on promoting their services through mobile apps, given that individuals use their phones for more than 3 hours every day on average. Mobile app developers now have a fantastic opportunity to make the most of their skills and abilities. To design, create, and test their mobile and tablet apps, businesses are continuously looking for new freelancers. You may continue to support yourself as a freelance mobile developer for as long as phones are a necessary component of daily life, because this demand isn't going away anytime soon. Where are the skills learnable? The majority of iOS apps use the Swift programming language, whereas Android apps are made in Java or C++, therefore creating mobile apps takes very specific coding expertise. Given this information, you can decide whether to master both languages or only one in order to become an expert in both mobile operating systems. Enroll in online courses if you're unsure which language is ideal for you. When looking for classes, Udemy or Class Central are frequently excellent resources. Courses can be found there for free or for a fee. 2. Food blogger. Everyone places a high priority on eating nutritious and delicious meals. You can make food-related videos and post them to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or other social media platforms. If you have a sizable following on any of the social media networks, including Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, restaurants, bars, clubs, social gathering spots, event managers, etc. will pay you handsomely to post reviews and work with them. 3. Copywriting. Both people and businesses enjoy good stories. They require it for their goods, advertising, sales, and marketing plans. There are examples of a copywriter's work everywhere you turn. Despite what some people may believe, writing copy requires some specific talents in order to produce copy that readers will want to read. Additionally, copywriting is one of the most lucrative careers. Independent copywriters can make up to $250 per hour. 4. SEO Expert. If people can't discover quality content when they need it, what good is it? A strategy called search engine optimization, SEO, is used when developing content to assist the content rank well in search results, attracting more users, traction, and ultimately more income. However, due to the large number of businesses offering the same services, SEO specialists will be in great demand. 5. Data analyst. What makes data analysis the best option? One of the industries with the fastest employment market development is data analytics. However, because of its swift expansion, there is a shortage of qualified workers in this field. Millions of data analysts are reportedly needed, but not enough professionals are applying, or those that do, don't meet the criteria. This will make companies compete for the services of each trained data analyst, improving your chance of finding enough clients to support yourself as a self-employed expert. As a data analyst, you will gather, arrange, and examine a sizable amount of data in order to produce insightful reports for each organization. Each data analyst must pay close attention to every detail in order to identify growing patterns and potential system flaws. Additionally, to construct seamless data collecting systems, data analysts frequently collaborate closely with web developers. Where can you learn these data skills? Find a course that covers a wide range of related topics, since data analysts combine several talents, such as business intelligence, fast analysis, and coding. You'll save a ton of time by doing this instead of studying each skill separately. Again, excellent resources to find classes are Udemy and Class Central. As a data analyst, you will gather, arrange, and examine a sizable amount of data in order to produce insightful reports for each organization. Each data analyst must pay close attention to every detail in order to identify growing patterns and potential system flaws. Additionally, to construct seamless data collecting systems, data analysts frequently collaborate closely with web developers. Where can you learn these data skills? Find a course that covers a wide range of related topics, since data analysts combine several talents, such as business intelligence, fast analysis, and coding. You'll save a ton of time by doing this instead of studying each skill separately. Again, excellent resources to find classes are Udemy and Class Central. 6. Bookkeeping and Accounting. Due to time and expense constraints, small and medium-sized enterprises typically prefer hiring independent contractors for their accounting needs rather than creating an accounting staff. There are many different types of accounting software available, so one can choose to become an expert. Often, getting a profitable offer only takes one solid course and one busy learning weekend. 7. Graphic design. This is a flexible skill that can be used for a wide range of tasks, such as creating images for social media, websites, blogs, and much more. It's a great chance to use your imagination. Companies hire freelancers since they don't frequently require the services of a graphic designer. Additionally, it enables businesses to access fresher, more innovative designs. 8. Excel management. Excel management, why should you pick it? Since its introduction in 1985, Microsoft Excel has grown to be a need in almost every industry. Although there are millions of Excel users worldwide, only few of them have earned certification as Excel experts. These professionals are in high demand right now, and as the Microsoft spreadsheet program continues to develop, the need for this skill will only increase. Even if you initially have difficulty finding clients to fund your freelancing lifestyle, you can make money by offering one-on-one Excel online classes. It's a well-liked option for folks who want to share their expertise as independent specialists but don't have much corporate Excel experience. You can learn these skills on Udemy or Class Central. 9. Animation and video creation. More individuals than any other type of content are attracted to videos, according to 8 out of 10 respondents. As a result, all social media platforms and companies increasingly favor video. This is supported by the enduring popularity of YouTube, the rising popularity of TikTok, and the current popularity of Instagram Reels. Businesses are spending more money creating, editing, and promoting videos. Due to this, there is a greater need for independent contractors with animation and video editing skills. 10. Proofreading and Editing. This is the best approach to generate money for anyone who enjoys reading and has a strong grasp of the English language. Editing and proofreading are crucial steps in the writing process that help you make your work more effective and your thoughts more understandable. 11. Internet marketing. The days of attracting new users with a large poster in Times Square or a protracted commercial during Super Bowl halftime are long gone. They still exist, but now that so many people use Facebook, Instagram, and other social media sites, those platforms have replaced traditional markets. Small businesses or newly established companies cannot function without a skilled digital marketer on their team. What are you still holding out for? It's the newest hip job title around. 12. Mentoring and career guidance. Every year, more new majors are added to institutions, which encourages students to pursue more daring career choices. Never before have parents and students wanted career advice more than we do today. Many people look for mentors to help them through various stages, from job searches to interview preparation. People are willing to spend a fortune on jobs or education. So you might as well make money. 13. Web design. With the growth of e-commerce, small and large businesses alike need a website and an online presence, which drives up the demand for this expertise. A web designer is one of the most in-demand career categories in the world due to its widespread appeal and need across practically all industries. If you watched the full video, make sure to use the knowledge you gain to your advantage. Try to find a balance between your fun, your skills and the financial benefit, but make sure that you make use of these opportunities.